Welcome back. It's time to cover the bed of this table because I am tired of not being able to play on it. A note about cloth: I went to a local billiard table fitter to buy mine and he gave me three options, which were proper 100% wool billiard table baize, which is eye-wateringly expensive at £70 a metre, or speed cloth, which is really for pool tables, or good quality card table cloth, 80% wool, which is what I bought. £80 for enough cloth to do the whole table, which I thought was fair enough. It's a bit more hard wearing than baize, but it doesn't have a nap. But at least that means it doesn't matter which way up I put it. I've removed all the staples I can, but in the corner pockets there are quite a lot of these old ones that I just can't get out. So I've hammered them in instead and cut these pieces off the old cloth that I'm going to glue over that, just to make the pocket edge a bit softer for any balls that go in there, really, and hopefully it will create a smoother finish when it's covered. So I'll go around and do the others. I've been watching videos on how people cover snooker tables, and there's no absolute right way, but the consensus seems to be to start with a staple dead centre in one end, another one at that end, then do the middle pockets, and then do the corners to stretch everything out. Hello, Humphrey. The middle pockets were definitely the hardest, especially on this tight radius. But I've got them done, especially once I tacked in the corners to stretch things out, and I went back and took some staples out, put some back in, played with it. Now I've got the sides all stapled on both of the long edges. Now I'm going to take the staples out of each of the narrow ends and re-stretch long ways. Well, that's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Nice and smooth over the pockets. Middle pocket. Oh. Now I just have to put a few more staples underneath the corners because I've only done the centre one so far, and then it'll be done. I polished the bolts a bit. bad.